Forex trading, a beginner's guide. Forex is a portmanteau of foreign currency and exchange. Foreign exchange is the process of changing one currency into another currency for a variety of reasons, usually for commerce, trading, or tourism. According to a 2019 triennial report from the Bank of International Settlement, a global bank for national central bank, the average was more than 5.1 trillion in daily forex trading volume. Key takeaways: the foreign exchange, also known as FX or Forex market, is a global marketplace for exchanging national currencies against one another. Because of the worldwide reach of trade, commerce, and finance, Forex market tend to be the largest and most liquid assets market in the world. Currencies trade against each other as exchange rate pair. For example, Euro USD. Forward Forex market exist as spot cash markets as well as derivative market offering forwards, futures, options, and currency swaps. Market participants use forex to hedge against international currency and interest rate risk, to speculate on geopolitical events, and to diversify portfolios among several others reasons. What is forex market? The foreign exchange market where currencies are important to most people around the world, whether they realize it or not, because currencies need to be exchanged in order to conduct foreign trade and business. If you are living in the US and want to buy cheese from France, either you are the company that you buy the cheese from to pay to French for the cheese in euros. This means that US importer would have to exchange equivalent value of US dollar into euros. The same goes for traveling. A French tourist in Egypt can't pay in euros to see pyramid because it's not the local accepted currency. As such, the tourist has to exchange the euros for the locally currency, in this case the Egyptian pound, at the current exchange rate. One unique aspect of the international market is that there is no central marketplace for foreign exchange. Rather, currency trading is conducted electronically over the counter, which means that all transactions occur via computer network between traders around the world. Rather than one centralized exchange, the market is open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week, and currencies are traded worldwide in the major financial centers of London, New York, Tokyo, Zurich, Frankfurt, Hong Kong, Singapore, Paris, and Sydney, across almost every time zone. This means that when the trading day is the US and the forex market begin new in Tokyo and Hong Kong. As such, the forex market can be extremely active any times of the day, with price score changing constantly. A brief history of forex. Unlike stock market, which can trace their root back centuries, the forex market, as we understand it today, is truly new market. Of course, its most basic sense, that's of people converting one currency and into another for financial advantage. Forex has been around since national began minting currencies, but the modern forex market are a modern invention. After the occurred the Bretton Woods in 1971, more major currencies were allowed to float freely against one another. The value of individual currency vary, which has given rise to need for foreign exchange service and trading. Commercial investment bank conduct most of the trading in the forex market on behalf of the client, but there are also speculative opportunities for trading one currency against another for professional and individual investors. Spot market and forward and future markets. There are actually three ways that institution, corporation, and individuals trade forex: the spot market, the forward market, and the future market. Forex trading in the spot market has always been in the largest market because it's in the underlying real estate that the forwards and future markets are based on. In the past, the future market was the most popular venue for trader because it was available to individual investors for a long period of time. However, With advent of electronics trading and numerous forex brokers, the spot market has witnessed a huge surge in activity and new surpass the future market as the preferred trading market for individual investor and speculator. When people refer to the forex market, they usually are referring to the spot market. The forward and future market tend to the most popular with the companies that need to hedge their foreign exchange risk out to a specific date in a value. More specifically, the spot market is where currencies are bought and sold according to the currency current price. That price determined by the supply and demand is a reflection of many things, including current interest rate, economic performance, sometimes towards ongoing political situation, both locally and internationally, as well as perception of the future performance of one currency against another. When deal is finalized, that is known as spot deal. It is a bilateral transaction by which one party deliver one agree upon currency amount to the counterparty and receive a specific amount of another currency at the agreed upon exchange rate value. After a position is closed, the settlement is in cash. Although the spot market is commonly known as one that deals with transaction in the present rather than the future, this trade actually take 2 days of settlement. Unlike the spot market, the forward and future market do not trade actual currencies. Instead, they deal in contracts that represent claim to certainly currency type, specific price per unit, and future date of settlement. In the forward market, contracts are bought and sold OTC between two parties who determined who determine the terms of the agreement between themselves. In the future market, future contracts are bought and sold based upon a standard size and settlement date of public commodities markets such as the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. In the US, the National Future Association regulate the future market. Future contract have specific detail include the number of units being traded, delivery and settlement dates, and minimum price increment that cannot be customized. The exchange act as a counterpart to the trade, provide clearance and settlement. Both type of contracts are binding, are typically settled for cash at the exchange in question upon expiry. Although contract can be bought and sold before they expire, the forward and future market can offer products protection against risk when trading currencies. Usually, big international corporations use this market in order to hedge against future exchange rate fluctuation, but speculators take part this market as well. Note, they will often see the term FX, Forex, foreign exchange market, and currency market. These terms are synonymous and all refer to the Forex market. Forex for hedging. Companies doing business in foreign currency are risk due to fluctuation in currency values. When they buy or sell goods and service outside their domestic market, foreign exchange market provide a way to hedge currency risk by fixing a rate at which will transaction will be completed. To accomplish this, a trader can buy or sell currency in the forward or swap market in advance, which look is exchange rate. For example, imagine that a company plans to sell US made blenders in Europe when the exchange rate between the euro and the euro USD is $1 to $1 at parity. The blender cost $100 to manufacture and the US firm plan to cost it for €150, which is competitive and other blender that were made in Europe. If this plan is successful, the company will make $50 in profit because the Euro USD exchange is even. Unfortunately, the USD began to rise in value versus of the Euro until the US USD exchange rate 0.80, which means it now costs to 0.80 to buy €1. The problem the company faces is that while it costs $100 to make the blender, the company can sell the product at the competitive price of 150, which when translated into dollar is only $120. A stronger dollar result a much smaller profit than expected. Forex trading risk. Trading currencies can be risky and complex. The interbank market has variety degree of regulations. A forex instrument and non-standardized in some part of the world. Forex trading is almost completely unregulated. The interbank market is made up of banks trading with each other around the world The bank themselves has to determine and accept surveillance risk and credit risk, and they have established internal process to keep themselves as safe as possible. Regulations like this are industry imposed for the protection of each participating bank. Since the market is made of each other, the participating bank provide offer and bids for a particular currency. The market pricing mechanism is based on supply and demand. Because there are such large trade flow within the system, it is difficult for raw trader to influence the price of the currency. The systems help create transparency in the market for investor with access to interbank dealing.